Mwache Mwakwaba Badwam so ene yadri kase ebre na so nsem no yaboabo no na de brebe so bono eso kahye bi ene se adwumakwa rapum de ho nsem so de abetu dwasa wono mo ne na HIV nsa so free bono sese so tia na ate san nu papa wode wobom atoso nti sanso ena Ghana Statistical Service wo man hwemu ma abetu dwasa ne ma wodo ye yeto de yedie ne de ye ho nyina no ene ye se de emum pagya ye ho nsem tie de be so mo sanso ena okọ ye akatamanso amonyoko no emu afifi kwete fiave wona eka se kyerese mampanyina be de achieba o mia wo ye Judase ya Ghana fo gine tomu a enye ye na save Ghana football demonstration na so ye kyere ye koso no so manfo be de wo gimo aka kye GFM pedifo se wontumi nye football ni ya wonsi from when nsama hodo bi nam de so mo se Badwam so kase Adom DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook Adom TV extra wuhia me ya frame anoche waba adwase wa fesem ne chemo no me de to so amount adwumakwa wa pausa one shapom de won sam so Ghana Health Service wo mo edi won juma stronko kora na we no emfinhie aduonu afahye no wadi efa antiretroviral treatment na numu no mo kyese beye emfinhie nipa beye empem aduonu no na 25,000 eno betu bi aka sese abetu dwaso wo HIV ya de mo wode bi nanso esam enura ode wo mo ato so nti ne nkane se de na o manfo na HIV ya de ne so eto na mo nsia do ntentem no sese eso atepa na o manfo gye a agye nuro na tumu a wo moda so ne ka ho bi na mo wo ya de ne wo mapomode ho nsem kakra won kwa ne kwanimu
be emfie aduonu ni ene free ase ye ma antiretroviral therapy. Since then, I mean, I started free. Nipa kakrebi started by 2 districts. Me started go manyani tour. I every district be a nationwide. Be a yebi. Na nebuan say number 1. Abuama enkwala nanke woma ne ma me positive. Nankonso ya positive no. Eswati papa ameno abafum.
Dr. Franklin Asiedu Bekwen, Director of Public Health Division at Ghana Health Service. One also edited just say, Wanum ama weniako emebunu ya wade wanum air fancy ama wanum hunu ninti SSA, watching on whom a free and pemunkita udiemu, na same post will be bimponua, or bebo who buying, Sebeya Wenya Yariano.
First part Nanka, be out test here, be here, Moja Mafia, no more Biansanam. Now, it's test and treat. It is treat here. Enchebiano was a federal viral no akofom. There are even instances I can't say you because to you. There are instances that you may not even find the virus in your blood at all, so you cannot even transmit. It is what we are saying for now. Young people in particular, no, you abstain. If you cannot abstain, then you have to use a condom. If you cannot use a condom, then let's do self-testing. 1 year na yes activities. One say quiz debate, particularly among the school going age, GSS.
Ghana Statistical Services is who go so na afintambiano. Ya na akakwa kwa mo yehwehwe mo fa ne ma hodo ho na obetumi atrese afie twem no na se January 2023 no and December bo no obetumi aka ne ma bo na wode atoto afie so si adru January mo no sai na ne ma bo no ho nsatraye etie na ne ma de ye ho ye de enye ye no nyina no wo mu kire mu a ya de ase bo no akosoro kakra na wo kire mu afi sadbre no na ye 23.2% se akodu 23.5% kyerese
Government statistician Professor Samuel Kobina Enim ene Adom News in Central for twetwe nkomo wodi to just say after 2023 bosumia na etwato December bosume no edeba 2024 afeno bosumia edikan January bosume no enema bo ekosoro pa ochire mu se ahwe percentage na 23.5%.
We share rate of change between consumer price index or January 2023 and January 2024. Rate of inflation for January 2024 is now 23.5%. In the last 6 months of January 2023, now inflation figure no above from indeed the whole of January 2023. If 53.6 to 23.2 as of December 2023. So decline here you 2023 you reverse kakra on a year basis. It's as a January inflation rate no 2024 no amanemuso by 0.3 percentage point, increasing from 23.2 to 23.5. Yeshua we were bosom soa. Yebeka said December 2023 Ghana Statistical Service to just say monthly inflation 1.2%. We saw amanemuso ako 2.0% for the month of January 2024. HSA amanemuso by 0.8 percentage point.
Yankwa amanyon semo na katamanso amanyoko NDC trefo ema amanyoko eye fifi via eye kwete na wode nsem etudwa na nsem trefo nhemo ya ye NDC amanyoko ne ye no panyini gina simpie so wo chese Ghana ban mampanyina bedi atwe ya wo ye Frank etu ni MPP amanyoko no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia wapanyini ene wo ye Judas pa ya wo ye Yesu ama nanu ada dense wo beka ye no ejina kire se Ghana mampanyina na do danko akufo ado ne bu man no mama mpanyin se asifom sanse asa wono afatuo na wabo mampanyin ekire mu atuo sanse se wo beka ye nyina kire se mampanyin wo hu amembo no so no watwe ne ho afiri ne ho no obi a wono obi nam na wotumi yi ne masa de Ghana fo ni se wogi ne di kra.
Baumia demonstrates that he has a massive responsibility deficit. Such a person does not have the character to lead our nation. If Dr. Baumia has shown that he can literally stab Nana Akufo-Addo in the back by way of running away from poor policies while taking credit for the good things done, who else is Dr. Baumia not able to betray and throw under the bus?
Once I try a mampeni na nado dan Akufo-Addo aya no wanaswafo mu ene dan mu ene owura fifikwiti echire mu se enya de bia eden sachire bia ebeba wechire mu a mampeni abedi echire edena do disam etudwa no wechire mu se ode aswafo aduonum ende bi di dwuma nanso mampeni Akufo-Addo aswafo wode ba ye echire se sene wondodo no do so omanfo ka na eka no enya de awate so enti ene Dr. Mahmoud Baumia de no eba bra kra.
In an era where the clamor for efficient governance and fiscal prudence has never been louder, the recent reshuffle by President Akufo-Addo starkly reflects a government in disarray, obstinately disconnected from the realities of his people. Despite the vociferous appeals from Ghanaians, civil society, the clergy, academics, and think tanks to trim the bloated size of government, a glaring drain on our nation's scarce resources, this administration has once again turned a deaf ear. And remember, Vice President of this Republic continues to be Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Ghana phobia wa akoma edi agwekansi achi football ewo mayi wakeka wo ho abomu a wo moye ye che country man songo ene no ginam denden wo ne de animu na oye che no ase no na wo mu bi ede nam da che hina na asante so to Ghana eje afi no animu se wo srada obi ti seketo kraku ni mfihia num ni a wo mo etena adwaso no afi no wo mo hwehwe coach ye to so num na so obu sisi anka ya sa afi bia no wo mu pe coach foforo na wo kire mu an imprensa so ni na Black Stars akwa agwekansie kasie bia yentu bia nkoyanim na ka ho bi na mabunu bia o mamu hu ne se sika saye enti ebe ya nka ekuo no ankasa na abanhwe na wongunu no mpempenim foforo no mo Black Stars no enkode na da che hene na ya wasante ne di achi.
We must save Ghana football. Yenja se di sika national team na kwa amanfo botom 70% or more of the money we take into the national team no kwa amanfo botom as bonus and allowance ade
Bibia ya wrong with football. Sir, adia na ma obi Ghana ni bia feel proud. Aya ya agro no. Sir agro na efe. Unim and na your qualification for AFCON kwa ye tira nya ya bedu ba bi entimi qualify. O man na ya kan wasam your man obo AFCON 4, no agi 2. No lose finals 2. Ya bo AFCON 4, ni lose just 2 games. Say about 3 AFCONs you winning 1. Nyoma cost we are spending a lot of money. And then you be able to get chance again and go work out for. It's your feel, say, let's save the game.
What we want to achieve is a better Ghana football. Because you to maintain memu na amampeni oye yabakwa semua MPP abana university was sports mpa onu zuna brazo na yenya poor resource pa adana ezebana sa ezempeni force on my sports na better, especially football.
Football for my country say and it's a government interfere in football. Yes, FIFA bet me ban here. Why are you now calling your government because office a government invest?
It's a fallacy. Even the FIFA headquarters, Switzerland are buying the police for kwasi some computers eye huna kwa NDC ni MPP na amakwan and na omodi aye politics and FA for the FIFA huna aye. China is a member of FIFA yet abana appointing FA uko Morocco omo FA boss
Samson ahi eye bodi mrashe bijani na atoye etifi mantem ne Western North region ehono na bodi ehye na wakasa pa ne ha nyina ne se wase oba ye mantem ne mu a obi ye ne hono mo 1PP amanyoko yi mu a chese owo dibre kese ekra na wase na no ada Dr. Kwakwafriye ana no ofri Western North mantem ne mu a no owo dibre na so da no ada reshuffle ye course yi sa dibre no kwafri ni sa chese Western North mantem ne nia na musini bia e waso ye bia mu ye hadwe no ndo nim se sa ansa kire ye ya mampanyina ye enko ba bia sanso nim se agro na gu na so fera mampanye de wo busa dwon foforo ni nkiremoni
mrashebejeni owo bodi Samson ahi ekasa ewo mrashebejemu wo de tudwa se reshuffle aban no ede abetudwa wayi osoafo a ono enehwe science and environment kweku efri ho no wanfo bifufo bia enfri Western North ene ho akoda pan na nya ade a eye ne kwan so kura
fakwa we so atwena de ba so say Western North bia ni ho ni din eka ne listen na ode aban and we are not happy. The chiefs are not happy. All of us are not happy because you cannot form a government in Ghana. Bakukre ni wa every Western North. Aden, I have one bed. I have one bia. Inti yesre no. On correct sa mistakes na. Why no? A big mistake. Our constitution no kura no. France on it. Inti yebesre the president. Send money ya. Omayehu. The Nipa offer was an offer, or never. Now, on to me, and funny, I see no India.
Everybody na yenkwaso ye hwensu wensu apane ahonede ho ensem so na ye opanyina we chief director e Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources ye Uranoa tumfo na wode nsem watwetwa onse na nsenche bia na wode nanu si ho na wodidi ye National Wash Coordination Workshop no e wakosombo na wabra wo mudi sa adwuma ni mo no opanyine wode nsem watwetwa se de yensuo no eni adane na tese ntibi nya fitaa sa de nsuo na hosuo tie no na aye fi poto no kaye woso wodi wura mu ansa na wate ani no kra da nche ya na mo bia mfi adi wu no ye wo nsuo no woso wodi nru ahodo ogumu de kum wo mo nyina no sese ho adwuma ye no aye den enti sese do obestress be yanka ba ne hwe won fa sika nwura mu na nsuo a wodan da ani me ye nsupa ya ye nom de ya de ye no ye nya no wano
Even a lot in water, providing water for most communities. But the difficulty we are having is with the pollution of the water sources. And so we are having to spend more to treat the water. We are having to also put in heavy doses of chemicals to be able to make the water clean for consumption. And it has its implications as well in terms of financial costs and other costs. So the major challenges are with the sources of our drinking water. As we speak, we intend even going into borehole testing. A lot of people just dig boreholes and start drinking. They do not test. And I can assure you we have a lot of difficulties with boreholes, especially if you don't test them and put in the right mechanism to filter the water before you use for drinking.
We've made progress with sanitation, but we are lagging a bit behind, and that will require greater efforts to be able to achieve the target that we have for us. The progress in water, we see it in more people having water on premise. We see it in the improvement in the service levels for the rural population as well, with small town systems, with borehole. If you look at all the SDGs, we have made progress, but then we still have about 11% of our population not having access to water, and in that regard,
yenyina asue ye hwa honedie ene nsuwansu apa ho nsam so asue ye so na yemfa yakase yade so mo bedwam so yemfa ne nyina ensi abusua kase ya na ye ho aba no the bonkra tampense mu na poso na afa kwa ne behwe online portal so nsam no ne nyina de beso mo kase wuhia me e ya frem anoche wa ba adrase wa Badwam so ne ye basisia.